Hello and welcome to this session. Learning Outcome LO1. Understand the development of common tort law. Today, we will learn how tort law has evolved to shape modern legal systems. We will explore its historical roots, key principles, and the role it plays in ensuring justice and accountability in society. This unit introduces you to tort law and its evolution through common and statutory law. It covers negligence, duty of care, and defenses in negligence claims. You'll explore vicarious liability and its applications. The aim is to understand how tort law addresses civil wrongs. This knowledge is crucial for legal practitioners. Tort law serves to compensate individuals harmed by others' wrongful acts. It developed from English common law, focusing on non-contractual civil wrongs. The law connects tort, contract, and criminal law. Its function is to provide damages and compensation. Tort law is vital for maintaining societal order. Tort law originated from medieval England's writ system. Initially linked with criminal law, it evolved to focus on victim compensation. Key milestones include the distinction between tort and crime. Equity principles influence tort remedies. The law's adaptability reflects societal changes. The evolution of tort law is based on foundational principles. Duty of care was established in Donahue v. Stevenson. Fault-based liability requires proof of wrongful actions. Causation limits liability to foreseeable harm. Compensation aims to restore the injured party. Tort law adapts to societal needs, addressing new harms. Negligence is a major area, covering medical malpractice and personal injury. Intentional torts involve deliberate harm, like assault. Strict liability applies to dangerous activities. Economic torts address financial harm. Case law is crucial in shaping tort law through precedents. Donahue v. Stevenson established negligence. Bolam set standards for professional negligence. Hedley-Byrne recognized negligent misstatement liability. Capero defined duty of care tests. Tort law faces criticisms like high litigation costs. A compensation culture may lead to excessive claims. Balancing claimant rights with defendant liabilities is crucial. Reforms aim to streamline procedures and reduce costs. Technological advancements pose new challenges. Tort law protects rights and deters wrongful behavior. It ensures justice and compensation for victims. The law promotes accountability and fairness. By imposing liabilities, it encourages responsible actions. Tort law is essential for societal stability. Duty of care is fundamental in negligence claims. It involves a legal obligation to avoid causing harm. Breach of this duty leads to negligence liability. Common law and statutory provisions define duties. Key cases highlight its application. Common law shapes the duty of care through precedent. Donahue v. Stevenson established its foundation. Elements include foreseeability, proximity, and reasonableness. Categories range from general duties to special relationships. It's a cornerstone of negligence law. Statutory provisions enhance duty of care protections. Health and safety laws impose employer obligations. Occupier's liability covers premises safety. Consumer protection ensures product safety. Environmental laws prevent harm to health and nature. Donahue v. Stevenson introduced the neighbor principle. Caparo Industries defined the duty of care test. Bolam set professional care standards. Nettleship v. Weston confirmed learner duty of care. These cases are pivotal in tort law. Tort law addresses civil wrongs outside contracts. It compensates victims for harm from wrongful acts. The focus is on victim compensation, not punishment. Remedies include monetary compensation and injunctions. Tort law imposes legal duties to act responsibly. Torts include nuisance, trespass, and defamation. Nuisance affects property enjoyment. Trespass involves unauthorized entry or interference. Defamation harms reputation through false statements. Breach of statutory duty and negligence are common torts. Nuisance affects land use and enjoyment. Trespass involves property invasion. Defamation includes libel and slander. Breach of statutory duty requires fulfilling legal obligations. Negligence requires proving duty of care. Breach and damage. Tort law compensates victims and deters harm. It ensures justice and accountability. The law protects rights and establishes legal boundaries. Loss distribution is achieved through insurance. Tort law encourages higher standards of care. Tort law offers remedies like damages and injunctions. Damages compensate for losses and deter wrongful acts. Injunctions prevent harmful activities. Declaratory relief clarifies legal rights. Remedies address harm and prevent recurrence. Negligence is a failure to exercise reasonable care. It causes harm or damage independent of contracts. The principle is central to tort law. Negligence requires proving duty of care, breach, and causation. It's a fundamental concept in personal injury cases. Negligence involves duty of care, breach, causation, and damage. The defendant must owe a legal duty to the claimant. A breach occurs when actions fall short of reasonable standards. Causation links the breach to harm caused. Damage includes physical, financial, or property loss. Tort law emerged from medieval England's writ system. It's separated from criminal law, focusing on victim compensation. Negligence developed as a distinct concept. Equity influenced tort remedies with fairness principles. The law's evolution reflects its societal importance. In conclusion, the evolution of tort law plays a crucial role in ensuring justice and promoting accountability. By bridging the gap between criminal and contract law, it addresses civil wrongs while upholding societal standards. Its adaptability underscores its enduring significance within legal systems. A thorough understanding of tort law's principles is therefore essential for effectively navigating legal responsibilities and obligations. Have questions? Drop us a WhatsApp message at 0748436168 and a team member will get back to you promptly. See you at the next session.